Junior Camp Human Museum. Impersonation Museum. Over here we have our fearless watchdog, Christopher, in his sleeping position. When you push the button, he rotates. This is his side position. He also rotates a second way. This is the hat position. And the final position is the fetal position.
Wow.
And now, over here, we have Miss Casey McCluskey.
Guys, I gotta do your hair. Brian, I'm gonna do your hair now, okay?
Hey!
Oh no, believe me, I can braid your hair. It's definitely long enough. No, you're getting your hair braided, just get over it.
Ow! Ow!
And finally,
Pause, wait, I need to get a picture of this because you know I'm just christening.
Trixie and the camera.
Click! Click! Make sure you cycle that when you're done.
And that would be Delora. And finally, we have Mr. Brian Luck, a.k.a. Mr. Lips.
What? Cool, bro.